One of my favorite cameras to film with is the Insta360 One X2. You can get so creative with your shots. You can capture clips from a drone perspective. You can do follow shots and explore areas that you normally couldn't. And all of these shots were made possible with my new invisible selfie stick. It can collapse down nice and small, or expand all the way to 9.8 feet. And this selfie stick from Braveheart comes shipped to your door, ready for you to capture some cool clips too. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, and then your selfie stick. It's made out of carbon fiber, so it's lightweight and durable. It has a standard tripod mount on top that will fit multiple different cameras. You can even attach a phone mount to it and use your phone. It has multiple expandable sections, so you can get the exact length that you want. And then on the bottom, you can find a tripod hole, so you can mount this to your existing tripod. And my favorite feature is that when you use an Insta360 camera, it removes the selfie stick from the shot. Now I can film without worry. It records everything, and I can pick my angle later. So I've been using this a ton. First, we took it out longboarding with our huskies, and we got a lot of great shots. The selfie stick extends far enough that we can get a perspective from in front of the dogs. There was one point where the selfie stick got in front of our youngest husky, and she jumped right over it. Too funny. And when we got to the bridge, I was able to hang the selfie stick over the edge and see the flowing water below us. I just love being able to extend the selfie stick all the way and swoop from the ground all the way to the sky. It looks so cool. We also used this to get a perspective shot looking at our flowers and spooked a rabbit out of hiding. Then we went on a little hike around the farm and used this to capture some fun clips of our huskies and even our cat. We explored around and enjoyed our time. Now it's worth saying again, the best part about using an invisible selfie stick is that you don't have to stress about getting the right shot. It's recording everything, and you can pick that angle later. All you have to do is put the selfie stick in the general area that you want to see, and you can see it in the editor later. Otherwise, we would have completely missed our husky jumping over the camera, or the bunny running away. So this has been so helpful, and I'm really happy to have it a part of my film arsenal. If you have an Insta360 camera, or any other camera that uses normal tripods, this expandable selfie stick might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go longboard some more. See ya.